Hi everyone, I'm Christine Jossie of Mail Something Pretty, and I wanted to show you this cute little gift box. I think that you should put some shortbread in this box, but you can put any sorts of things. But I'm just going to show you how I did the tag and how to put these boxes together. And if I untie it, I'll just show you how the box, you can either take the cover off, and it has a nice little scallop edging to it, but it also opens up this way. So if you wanted to do, I don't know, something clever and glue that down or something, it can open up this way. So just wanted to show you how the boxes work. I kind of like just taking them off. There we go. That way. So it's super easy, especially the tag, and I will make the tag first. I already have cut my circles, and I used the Stylish Shapes dies, which I use all the time. And so I use the two largest circles, and they do have, oops, there we go. They have a little stitched or a little dotted print to them. And I use the paper from, I'll show you where it came from, in the 2022 holiday catalog. It is the Sweetest Christmas paper. And then the ribbon actually comes in a pack of 2, and that's the same ribbon. And I think that's all I used with it. And just so you know, there's always, in the back of the catalogs, there's always like a little index, and sometimes that's easier to find things that you're using. And while I have these out, I'll just show you and then put it together. The boxes come in a pack that looks like this, and you get 8 boxes in a pack. And so they're right here. So it's hard to see in the picture, but you have this nice gold polka dots on it and with the scallop edge. So it's a little picture, so it's hard to show. So I just wanted to show you what it all looked like. All right. I'm going to use just looking for my black paper. Here it is. The Scottie dog punch, just to easily punch out a dog. You can't get any easier than that, right? And then we'll save that bow for something else. I'm going to use a gold bow. I figured the gold bow works nice with the gold polka dots. All right, so that's just going to get on there. I'll kind of align it so I can see the candy canes. I'm going to use dimensionals to pop up my dog, but you can certainly do them flat. I'm using black dimensionals. Maybe I should do one more. These are mini ones, so I'm just trying to do more. The black dimensionals come in a 2-pack. You get minis and the regular size. I think you get 2 sheets of each. All right, so that doggy's gonna go right there, and using the gold foil to make that bow. And then I'm just going to dab a little glue. Presto, like super easy tag. It looks, you know, it has a lot of elements to it, some patterns, some raisedness, some shininess. Really, really easy. I was looking for my hole punch. This is an old hole punch from Stampin' Up. They don't sell it anymore, but I still use it because it helps with my wrists. You don't have to squeeze very hard. All right, and I'm going to use linen thread. I'm just going to guess. Where are my scissors? There they are. I'm going to weave both the ends into that hole. And then it's going to give me this loop, and I'm just going to pull the ends through the loop. And that way I can attach it to the box with the ribbon. All right, so super easy tag, and you can write on the back of it if you want. All right, so these are 2 pieces. So we have a top and a bottom. And then they are made out of kraft, so they're nice and sturdy. So you may want to, I'm going to use my bone folder to kind of crease the edges that really weren't creased already. Let's see. Hold this one down. There we go. Just trying to give those edges a good crease. It's kind of like building it for me. All right, build it this way. Okay, so this is the top. No, that's the bottom. That's the bottom. That comes together pretty easy. And then the top, same thing. I'm going to just kind of fold it on the opposites, give it a good crease. And then these, they made like so many big panels. I'm feeling like I should do something with them. Instead of just making this go down, they made all these panels. There we go. I'm probably making it look complicated, but really it's easy. I just wanted to crease the all those folds. And then this comes like that. So you got your little top. You can even, if you want it to stay together, you can just glue it together. And then you can choose your ribbon. I think I did red on this one. Either red or green. I think I did red because I had the green tag. And then tie your bow. I'm going to tie it before I cut in case I need it to be longer. Obviously, I would put my cookies or whatever my gift is inside before I did the bow. And then you have your little tag with that linen thread on it, and then I just kind of weave that under. And you can either just tie a knot, or if it's long enough, you can tie a bow. There we go, another bow on a bow. So there you go, pretty easy, but I think it's really a nice little gift. Perfect for neighbors or a teacher or colleague or anyone. And again, if you're going to make shortbread, you can actually fit a good, I'd say at least 8 cookies in there, right? 4 squares. I'd say at least 8 cookies and maybe a tea bag on top. All right, so that's that scallop. I don't even know what they call them, the scallop gold polka dotted box. Thanks for watching. I'm Christine Josty of Mail Something Pretty. Bye-bye.